Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating variables. Disconnect all external drives and USB peripherals so they cannot interfere with boot. Once done, boot from Windows, install media or a recovery USB to access repair tools. This bypasses safe mode loops. Make sure to note the exact error code and any recent driver or update changes, because these clues direct your next steps. You will now use automatic repair and command prompt. Follow the repair flow patiently and avoid skipping verification steps to prevent data loss. You run automatic repair first to catch common issues. If that doesn't fix it, open command prompt and run sfc/scano to check system files. If SFC finds problems it cannot correct, use dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to retrieve intact system components. Next, repair boot records, because corrupted BCD often causes safe mode loops. Execute bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild. Once done, restart and confirm normal boot before proceeding to driver checks. You now update or roll back GPU and chipset drivers. Driver conflicts commonly force safe mode. After restarting, perform a clean boot by disabling non-Microsoft services and startup apps to isolate offending software. If stability returns, re-enable items in small groups. If the problem persists, use system restore to a point before the issue, or as a last resort, perform a Windows reset while keeping files. If none of this works, one key troubleshooting tip: test hardware, swap RAM, or use a different GPU to rule out failing components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.